pagdaan ni ate. Sorry. Sorry, kasi nandito kami sa Molito sa parking lot eh. Wala na kayong mahanapan ng lugar. Tapos medyo busy kami. So anyway, hello everyone. It's been a while. Actually, we made a prologue for this video like a long time ago, months and months and months ago. So finally, ngayon lang kami na libre ni Miguel. So itutuloy na namin. Right now, we'll be reviewing and installing dito sa E46 DD-Pi na Z50 na dashcam. This is the 4K model, the one that has the camera behind and in front. But first of all, welcome to Sasayad Ba Pops. Okay, so the things we need for this installation, basically, I don't know, scissors, optional. But more of yung mga cable arrangement clip. So, ito yung mga pang-clip para maayos yung pagtago mo dun sa wirings. And also this one works the same way, except mas concealed siya. And then, I don't know, tape for guidance dito. So, alam mo yung straight line later on. And, I don't know, calorimeter kung nagutom ka. Tapos, I don't know why I have this. Pero sige, pang-guide na lang din. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so I'll be sitting here kasi dito ko pa dadaanin yung wiring ng dashcam. Dito sa ilalim. And then, nandito kasi yung fuse box itong E46. And then most likely, dito dadaan yung wires. And then, cut siya dito. And then, from here. So again, ayoko yung obstructed view. So I want it to be as normal as possible. So hindi ko siya masyado kita unless talagang gaganunin ko siya. It doesn't block my view. But then at the same time, I know it's active. So, yun yung tatry natin gawin. And of course, we have this one. Ito yung extreme. So, okay lang siya mainitan. It's not gonna break. And, yeah. Deodorant, of course. Papawisan tayo today. And we have our companion here, si Martin.
Legit, Martin yun.
I don't know.
Si M siya eh.
Si M. So, yeah. Let's go. Okay, so if you remember correctly, yun nga, nag-unboxing na tayo. So, this time, this one is the main camera. This one is the rear camera. So, actually, nakalimutan ko na itsura niya. Okay. Ayan, sige. There. Oh. Tapos, ito ulit yung laman ng box niya. Ayan, so ito yung super wire, haba. Additional mountings and the instructions, snacks. Ayan, silica gel. And, ito, yung car charger na kasama. So, which is, let's see. Single slot. Kasi para yan talaga siya dito. Ayan yung kasama niya. So,
pwede mag-share.
Hindi siya pwede mag-share.
Hindi maiba yun.
Damot. Grabe. And then that's it. So, ito yung pang wire tucker. Tririt. I don't know what you call it. But, yun. So, ito yung camera. What I'll be doing right now is, sasample ko siya. Before I stick it here, tignan ko muna yung magandang view. So, kakabit ko muna siya, have it on, check it, install the app, and then also with this one, na-adjust siya. That's the plan for now. But before we start, we have to first check kung gumagana ba siya. Kasi never pa namin ito na-on, to be honest. So, ito na naman tayo. This is the SanDisk. So, 128 gig, Extreme Pro. So, okay siya for mga bad weather. Sobrang init. Like, mabibilad siya sa araw, okay lang naman daw siya. At least it's rated for that. Install muna natin yung camera, yung memory card. Ayan, so ito siya. So normally when I do this, I try to refrain from touching the gold-plated terminals kasi pag nalagyan ng oil yan, it might cause corrosion. Tapos pag may corrosion, syempre pangit yung contact nung 2 points yan. So ito na siya. One direction lang naman ito. Pag ay pumasok, huwag pilitin. There you go, it clicks. So it's good. Okay, so next, I'll try to insert the cable. Meron na ako dito ng tigas niya. Wait lang, sorry. Yan, so mukhang kailangan ko ng additional na slot Daming kable, Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Dumi-dumi. Ayan, so ito na, finally. Ito may cover siya. Tanggalin natin tong cover. Oh yeah, fresh. Ito na siya. Slightly used na. Yes! Sorry, first time ko siya inun. Okay. Align the horizon. So yun yung positioning ek-ek niya. So ito pa may cover pa kasi, so have to remove this. Yan, okay. So the other layer is parang protective niya. Don't have to remove it actually. Okay, sige, yan. So ito yung view niya. May parang guide siya. So align with the horizon, so sakto na sa parking tayo. Okay, so this is gonna be easier. So yeah, first step done. Then, linisin lang namin tong area na to sa glass para dun ilalagay pa kasi yung anti-static sticker eh. Ito, yan. So, dalawa to, anti-static sticker muna and then this one, you put it here. So, ganun siya. Okay? And then you just align this with the horizon. So, kita naman, as of the moment with the alignment we have, parang kitang-kita siya. So, I think kaya naman to. Okay, so nag-work kami pareho ni Miguel. Meron siyang animation. Okay, so since this is my vehicle, since ako rin naman yung gagamit nito, so what I'm doing right now is medyo i-personalize ko siya, customize ko siya to my seating arrangement. So, ito yung perfect seating arrangement for me, at least for this setting. So, ang gagawin ko, again, gusto ko setting kasi dito is that hindi siya mag-obstruct ng view ko. So, I have full view, but I know it's there. So, medyo quote-unquote hidden siya. But if gusto ko siya makita, then pwede naman ganun, di ba? Not a problem. Okay? So, gagawin ko na lang is what I did from my point of view. So, ito siya. Ito yung side mirror, rear view mirror ko. So, what I did was, nag-place ako ng tape dito. So, alam ko, from where I'm sitting right now, ito yung normal, naupo ko kahit mababa or mataas. Normally, pag dire-diretso to, ito yung hindi ko na nakikita. So, which means I have to put the dashcam somewhere in this area here. Sure na hindi ko siya makikita. Even if I go down or up. Yan. So, medyo ito na yung parang optimum position. If I want to put it, at least ito yung pinakamababa kung pa siyang pwedeng lagay. So, I can put it here at a little bit up. So, most likely dito ko siya lalagay. Para medyo aligned din siya dito. Hindi siya masyadong halata. Okay? Yan. So, that's the plan. And then, for this glass, meron siya nung parang coating dito. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. This is parang green coating. So, definitely, lalagay ko to sa baba. Sa baba nun. So, yung view ko will be colored. Hindi siya green lang. So, yeah, that's the plan. I'll put this probably here. So, again, you can go old school. Alam ko meron si Didi pa yung parang guide niya na parang yung what we showed earlier, yung ganito. So, meron siya ng parang guide. So, you know, alam mo yung center line, mo yung horizon, ganyan-ganyan. But I think what other brands might not have it. So, what we can do is, yun nga, download natin yung app. Dito sa manual niya, meron siya ng link. I also tried checking it dun sa, sa Google Play since Android tayo. So, ito yung DDPI na app. Install natin, 90... Okay, sige lang. Download natin.
Walang iPhone yan.
Meron din siya for iOS. Ayan. So, yun yung iOS. Ito yung Android. So, ayan. So, downloading tayo. Medyo mabagal internet, but it's moving. So, let's just wait for it.
Yan kung iPhone.
Hindi sa'yo ni iPhone mo. Jeez! Anyway, yun lang. Sige. So, antayin lang natin matapos. Tingnan natin. Tapos, tatry natin i-connect ito kagad dito. At least, bago natin install, nakakonect na siya. And then, tingnan natin. At least, baka better yung view natin dito. Mas kita natin yung horizon. So, just like yung 70 Mai na yung mga install natin before.
1 week later.
Quick lang. So, na-install ko na nga itong dashcam itself. So, very, very happy with the angle, with yung pitch ng camera niya. So, okay na ako dun. Very happy. Even with the preview nung dito, goods na. So, this time, dito na tayo sa wiring. So, what I'm planning to do, ito may kasama siya nung parang wire talker. Or ano ba dyan? Tiririt or something. So, kakabit muna ako dito ng ng parang pang-keep ng wire para hindi na siya gumagalaw. So anyway, natakot na siya dito. Dito siya dumadaan and then it kind of ends here. So ang gagawin ko, tatago ko pa siya dito and then papadaanin ko siya sa ilalim. Then from here, probably put it here. Tapos lalabas siya dito. I'll probably make a hole somewhere here para mas malinis siya. Hindi siya nakaganon lang. Doon ko siya lalagay. Anyway, so here we go. Kung kaya nyo tanggalin tong weather strip, you can also do that. It might be easier to tuck things in, like what the previous owner did here. Nung kinabit yung rear camera, ayan, kita ko yung rear camera wirings. So, pwede rin yan. And then you just seal it. Ayan, so this one, ayan na siya. So, I'm able to tuck it nice and clean dito sa area na to.
Kasyang-kasya.
Kasyang-kasya talaga siya. And there you have it. So, it's nice and clean. So, this time, kabitan natin yung rear. I haven't checked it as well. So, kabit na lang muna natin. Then, bahala na kung gumagana siya o hindi. So, anyway, kabitan natin siya. So, you've opened this before. Ito yung camera. So, malit lang. Okay? So, ganun ulit. It has this sticker and then ito yung ito yung kakabit mo dito. So, I'm guessing kailangan ko siyang ikabit muna to see yung ayan pala, may seal pala siya na up. So, okay, at least madali. Yung sa 70 may parang wala eh. So, parang nung kinabit namin yung sa isang car, yung sa Velos, parang nanghula lang kami. Tapos parang, okay, tama, buti na lang. So, anyway, may sticker siya, so you know what is up. Anyway, for this vehicle kasi, actually, natagalan ako ikabit siya kagad because meron kasing parang cover to dito. Sa loob, you'll see it more. This is a rubber cover. Yan, itong area na to. It blocks yung LED na red. So every time you depress on the brake pedals, eto, yung red, pumapasok sa loob ng cabin. Kasi nga, pumipereno ka. So with this black thingy, yung lining na to, yung pang-block, pag ganun lang yung bato ng red light. So nakikita lang siya. So this is a third brake light lang. So nasira yung sa original. So I had to replace it. Nakahanap naman. And then meron siya ng cover. So what I'm planning to do is ikakabit ko muna siya dyan. And then pararaanin ko na lang yung wiring ko somewhere here. So it's not visible. Okay? So inside view, don't mind. Ang daming gamit. So anyway, ito siya. Ito yung sasabi ko sa inyo. So ito yung cover. Ito, this rubber thing here. So what I'm planning to do is padadaanin ko na lang dyan yung wire. Tapos nandito yung camera. And then here, this is may cover kasi to eh. Probably just remove this one. Okay, mamaya. Tanggalin ko siya ng maayos. I have the removers. So ito lang, cover lang naman to. Tanggalin ko siya from the camera here. Either padaanin ko dito or dito. Yan. Tapos tatago siya dito. Pack-in ko siya dito. So, ganyan na siya. So, dire-diretso siya doon hanggang sa harap. Alright? So, init. But let's go. Okay, so this time na nakabitan natin yung rear, it's checking out. It's illuminated. So, ibig sabihin, it's active. It's working. So, again, sabi niya, this is up. So, to check kung totoo nga ba. So, ito yung app. Naka-connect na siya. It's connected. Tapos, tanggalin lang natin yung cover. And yes! Tama ba? Sorry, ito yung up. Yan. Tama nga. So, tama yung sticker. So, this is up. Ayan ang rear. Oh, nice! Okay, natuwa ako. Sorry guys, natuwa ako. So, yan na siya ngayon. That's it. Okay, so we did the same technique, preview lang. Tapos, ito na siya. So, it's connected correctly. Ayan, namalog siya. I like the angle. Okay na siya. Tapos, even yung pitch ng camera, okay na siya. So, goods na. Ayan, so, pag i-add ko ng konti, kailangan siya ng konti. So, okay na. At least kita ko konti yung rear ko. So, good thing about pag may rear camera ka, pag binaga ka sa likod, at least kita mo. So, this time, ang problem ko na ngayon is how I will move this wire inside here. Option A is, nakaganyan siya, nakatago, tapos naka-cover siya dito. Or, do I just do this? Medyo nandito ako sa part na parang tago na lang siya dito. Yeah, that's kind of doable. Let's see. Tapos tago ko na lang to all the way hanggang doon papunta sa harap. So, maraming options. So, with that, most likely, we're almost done. Tatago na lang yung wiring and then, parang okay na.
A few moments later.
So, basically, nakabitan natin yung dashcam. But the problem is, we're kind of running into a problem. Kanina, gumagana na yung rear. As in, seamless. Pagkabit ko ng cable, boom, working na siya. So, I mounted it. And it was working, as I showed earlier, na parang change namin, titignan namin yung perfect angles, yung perfect spot, centered na ba siya. And then suddenly, nung kinabit ka, So anyway, medyo frustrating kasi ayaw rin gumana nung firmware update. I'm guessing gusto niya connection is Wi-Fi. Ayaw niya nung mobile internet, so not really sure about that. So what's next is that to try to provide actual videos of daytime, yung nighttime, pag umulan, para at least makita niyo yung may comparison kayo kamusta yung video niya ng actual use talaga. Miguel, ikaw na bahala dun. So yun, at least makita niya lang na worth it ba mag-jump into 4K, worth it naman mag-jump into yung I think yung newest yata na DD5 na Z60, or okay pa ba tong Z50 as of the moment. So, yeah, of course, this is sa Saiba Pops. If you guys are interested with the model, of course, we had a review about it. May ano tayo, unboxing. Mga tingin namin, bakit siya better, bakit siya hindi, ganyan. So, with that, if you're interested, click on the affiliate link. Yung link. Basta yung link. Click nyo na lang yung link. Check nyo siya. Check nyo na lang siya. Alright.